Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Today's reading will be different, Gemini. I'll be picking cards for your career situation and relationship. So, just one card from this deck for each. But your love reading, I have a detailed pick a card love reading. So, that will come right after this daily reading. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, you can watch that pick a card love reading, guys. That will come right after this daily reading. So, for your career situation, guys, we have the card here, breathe. So, this card just means that you have to wait, be patient today. So maybe in your career, if you are making some important decisions, you should not rush. You have to slow down, take a deep breath, and wait for things to unfold as it should. So at the right time, right things will come towards you. So you have worked long and hard, and your dreams are coming towards you, and you just want to hurry reach those dreams. But today, you have to move slowly, progressing in your direction, the right direction. So, whatever that rhythm is right for you, right for your nature, that will be that natural flow in your situation. So, your the dreams, whatever it is, you are moving towards those at that right speed. So slow and steady wins the race, guys. You should not forget that. So you have to just relax, stay on the course, trust your intuition, and take a deep breath. So everything is all right in your career situation. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for your career situation. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. New life. A beautiful card here, guys, Gemini. So if you are open to a new relationship, there may be someone coming towards you. Someone new, someone interested in you coming towards you. Or if you are already in a relationship, this person and yourself, this connection is bursting with that sweetness and vibrancy of that new love. So, this is the time you are connecting at a deeper level, passionate, that excitement is there, and you are full of joy. And this is a very auspicious card here, guys. So, maybe in this love, in this relationship, you are moving towards engagement or marriage. So that is what I see. So life is simply loving you today, Gemini. Things are going in a very beautiful way for you in your love situation as well as in your career situation, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini. If you want a more detailed love reading, watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck, this is your second deck, and this is your third deck. So any situation you want clarity or you have confusion or doubts, you can think about it and choose the pile. So that way that reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this deck for your love reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so let's start with the first deck. So we will be picking few cards from that deck as usual. So let's see what is coming up in those cards. So these are for your love reading for those who chose this deck. So let's see what are these cards. It's 8 of Wands, 4 of Wands and 5 of Wands. So in this love, in this connection, you are making lot of efforts, maybe trying to bring that understanding with this person. You are working hard, putting those efforts, and you love them. You want to understand them, and maybe they also feel the same way. So you both are growing together in this love. You are celebrating your love, having that understanding between each other, and you are overcoming those situations. Maybe some troubles are there in this connection, but you are over all those stressful situations, and you are finding that understanding with this person. Love is there in this connection, and that may be the reason we see that you are celebrating this love. Maybe you are beginning on a long journey with them. Maybe you are getting engaged, planning to get married, or this person has proposed to you, or you have proposed to them. So something happy is what I see with these cards, guys. So no matter what your situation is, it is moving in a very positive way with this person. You have love, understanding, and you're celebrating this love and celebrating this journey with this person. So that is what I see with this card, guys. The first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's keep this aside. So let's see what are the cards with the second deck for those who chose the second deck. Let's see what are the cards. If this reading resonates, guys, please like and comment. So these are the cards for those who have chosen this deck. We will turn the cards and see what has come for you all, guys. So Fool, 10 of air and 4 of air. So with these cards in your situation, guys, in your relationship, you have that curiosity in your heart, and you are ready to take that risk. Maybe you are not yet in that clarity with this person. You don't know what is in their heart of hearts, but you are ready to risk your maybe your ideals and beliefs for them, or risk something, maybe some important decisions that you're making. You are ready to do all that for this person, for that love you have for them, and you have faith in yourself. So that may be the reason for you deciding in such a way. So you have love and faith in you, and you feel that you will not choose someone who is wrong. So you are taking few risky decisions for this love, for this connection, to just be with them. And I also see that maybe for some of you, this love is not what it looks like. Maybe the way you are, maybe your decisions, it may be too overwhelming for them, and they may leave you because of that, because of these decisions. Maybe they are afraid that you are risking so much for this person, but still they are not so certain. They don't have that firm conviction on you, firm belief on you. So they need time. Maybe that may be the reason they are, for some of you, they may take time to move away. So, for that clarity, this person is moving away from you guys, or this may be your energy. So they may be going too fast. Maybe you know them only for a short time and they love you and they are rushing towards some kind of decisions, but you don't want to rush in towards those important decisions. You want your time. So maybe because of that, you are taking a break, guys. And I also see that you are taking this break for clarity, or they are taking this break for clarity. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this deck. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's see what are the cards with the third deck. So this is your third deck. Let's see what's coming up with that third deck, guys. So this is your first card, your second card, and third card. So whatever questions you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, guys. It's 5 of moons in reverse, Hierophant, and 8 of spheres in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, maybe in your situation, this may be your energy or this may be your person's energy. So they are having some kind of addictions, guys. So it may be some bad habits, and it is really difficult for them to control these habits, give up these habits, and they find it really taxing on their part, stressing them a lot, because they are trying their best but they are unable to do anything. And they have great faith in you, trust in you, and they are just hoping that you will be able to help them through these dark days. So they are expecting your help, maybe, guys. That is also what I see. So if this is the case, if this is the situation, if they are having these weakness and they are expecting your help, so maybe if you are up for it, if you have that true love, or if they have that true love on you, you can go help them, guys. But I also see that they are not so honest with you. Maybe they are trying to put up this face to get your help, but in truth they are not so honest, they are insincere. So they don't want to give up these addictions. Maybe just to keep you with them, they are putting up this sad face so they can have you with them. So they are using these addictions to keep you with them, guys. That is what I see. That is also here. Maybe that may also be the case here. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this deck. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.